in this video I'm going to show you how you can add the payment method in your Google Play Store. Step 1 is to open the Play Store. Step 2 is that click on these three horizontal bars on the top left hand side, and from here go to the account. In the account you would see on the top there is an option of payment methods and it says add a new payment method. So click on that. So within the payment method you would, depending upon the location of your country, you would see the different payment methods. Just like in Pakistan I'm seeing this add Jazz billing. So in your country whatever the payment methods are available you would see them here, or you can add the credit or a debit card number. Just feed in here and click save. Or the other option is that you can click the more payment settings and it will take you to the Google payment settings, meaning by that you can add the credit card in your Google account. So once you reach here you need to click this add payment method from the bottom, and then you can see that you have three options: add a credit or a debit card, add Google Store financing card, or add a bank account. So whatever you want to add, let's say you want to add a bank account, so here you can add the bank name that you have on your account number, whether it is saving or what, and then routing number, account number, and then you can simply save, or else you can go back and you can select the add credit or debit card, and from here again you can add your card number and then you can click save. So this is how you add the payment method in your Google Play Store. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.